Hey loves, welcome to a brand new video. Long time no speak. I know it's been a while, but in today's video I'm creating this fun Halloween set with some awesome items that I found on Amazon. The first item in my haul is the BT Artbox 500 piece clear ballerina nail set. It was $7.99. It comes with 10 sizes. They are thin and flexible, and it was really easy for me to find a size for each of my nails. Now that I have my nails applied, I'm going to buff off the shiny layer to prep for gel application. Since I will just be polishing my thumb and pinky nails, I'm going to go ahead and do those first. I'm using the Present number 8 medium hair Kolinsky Sable gel brush that I purchased for $7.99 to apply a thin layer of IBD clear gel to my nails. This will act as a base when I start to build the nail up. Now I'm adding more gel to thicken up the nail. I don't have a lot of practice with this, like forming the apex and all of that. I've watched a lot of videos and they just make it look so easy, but I'm trying my best. I feel like they came out pretty good. I could have built it up a little bit more looking at it, but I think this was good for like my third try. After curing for 30 seconds, I am using alcohol to remove the sticky residue. I'm buffing and reshaping my nails in preparation for base coat. I am now applying a thin layer of the Sensationail gel base and top coat. I am really excited about this haul item. It is the Beetles Hocus Pocus Halloween Gel Polish set, and it was $13.99. This set features 6 7.3 milliliter gel polishes, numbered 345 through 350. It has a sparkly black with silver glitter, a purple, neon green, neon orange, a red, as well as a red and gold glitter mix. I won't be using colors 349 and 350 today, but I will open them up and show you what they look like. I am applying the color 345 to my thumb and pinky nails. It is rather translucent, but it is a really pretty black with lots of silver glitter in it. After applying 2 coats, it came out very opaque. This is 2 coats of the color 345, a very pretty black. I'm sorry it's going in and out of focus, and I would also like to apologize for my cuticles. During the drier months, my skin just gets so dry and I am constantly moisturizing. I did the prep work for my 3 remaining nails off camera. Now I'm going right into applying my base coat. I am applying shade 346 to my index nail, a bright purple, very translucent, almost like a jelly polish, really pretty. I applied 2 coats and that made it a little more opaque. Moving on to my middle nail, I'm applying the shade 347, a bright neon green. As you can see, this shade is very opaque. I could have gotten away with only 1 coat, but I ended up applying 2 just to be on the safe side. And lastly, for the nail on my ring finger, I'm applying the shade 348, a bright neon orange. This shade was very opaque as well. These are my absolute favorite products in my Amazon haul, the nail stickers that I ordered. This first set is the Unomor 30 sheet Halloween nail sticker set, and it was $11.99. I also purchased the Tailai 12 sheet Halloween nail sticker set for $9.99. I had so much fun putting these on. There were so many options. Each nail has a different design. I am encapsulating the nail stickers with a thin layer of top coat. The last item I picked up from Amazon is the Gadgets Entrepot Rhinestone Glue, and it was $7.85. This glue comes with a set of 3 brushes, an angled brush, a flat top, and the pointed one that I'm using. I really like this one because since it's so precise, I can get the glue exactly where I want it. And the gems are just a dollar wheel of the little different colored gems from the beauty supply store. After placing my gems, I applied my top coat and cured for 60 seconds. Now I'm removing the sticky layer with alcohol. Here are my completed Halloween nails. I had so much fun creating this set, especially with the nail stickers. They were so much fun to work with. I had so many different options. Check out the description for all of the products that I used, as well as links to the items I purchased off of Amazon. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye loves, happy Halloween!